In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using only an email address on Wise. It's quick, simple, and super convenient. Let's get started. First, go to wise.com and sign in to your account using your email and password. Then, on your dashboard, click the Send button to start a new transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send and choose the currency you're sending from and the currency your recipient will receive. After setting the amount, scroll down and click Add Recipient. Now choose Find on Wise, which allows you to send money just by using the person's email address. Then simply input the recipient's email and click Continue to proceed with payment and confirmation. Bonus tip: if your recipient doesn't have a Wise account yet, they'll get an email to sign up and claim the money. No stress for either of you. And that's how to send money on Wise using just an email. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more step-by-step tutorials. See you next time!